Hello everyone, welcome back to Kalparuksha classes. Today it is a day 6 of SSLC short board exam questions, and today's chapter is surface areas and volumes. When I say the chapter name surface areas and volumes, first of all you should think about so many shapes there, solid shapes, alright, and you should be knowing all the formulae, whatever related formulae are there, they must be fixed in your mind. If you remember all the formulae, definitely you are going to get 1 mark in this. Then afterwards you have to read the question, you have to understand the question, then you have to apply a logic. What is the formula logic for that, what you are supposed to find out, then it's all about calculations after this. Alright, so these are the only three things in this chapter. One is formula, another is logic, next is calculations. Alright, so this is there for 1 mark, that is direct formula. Then afterwards you may be having 1 2-mark question or maybe 3-mark question, and 1 4-mark question will be there, which is usually lengthy, but it will be very easy if you understand the question. Alright, I will get you through journey of these questions one by one which are asked in the board exam. I am discussing all short questions in this SSLC short board exam questions which are asked in the board exam only. So if you see into this question bank, definitely your 100% of the syllabus will be covered. Definitely you can do very well in the board exam. Alright, then let's get started. Let us see the first question. The first question is, write the formula to calculate the curved surface area of a frustum of a cone. Direct, I told you, right? So how is a frustum of cone? The frustum of cone looks like this, no? This is the frustum of the cone. Here is the radius, this is R1, and this is the radius R2, and here is the H, and afterwards we have slant height here. Alright, so they are asking us to calculate the curved surface area of frustum of cone. So the formula is quite simple. Curved surface area of frustum of cone is equal to pi bracket R1 plus R2 into L. You have to compare it with cone. So if cone was there, means what would have been the formula? The formula would have been pi RL for the curved surface area. Now as I have two radii, one is R1 and R2, I have written it as pi bracket R1 plus R2 into L. So that is the curved surface area of frustum of cone. So this will get you 1 mark, only this much. Alright, now you learn about all the formula related to cuboid, okay, then cube, then we have cylinder, alright, then we have cone, then we have sphere, okay, then we have hemisphere. In hemisphere also we have hollow hemisphere and solid hemisphere. Learn all these formulae. Any formula can be asked for 1 mark. Alright, moving forward to next question. Look at this question. The radii of two circular ends of a frustum of a cone shaped dustbin are 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Alright, so there is a frustum of cone that is given. A frustum of cone is like this. Alright, so it is having the base radii and top radii. These are circular ends, no? So here is one circular end, here is R1. So let us take this R1 to be 15 centimeter. It is bigger one, no? That's why 15. And next one is 8. So let this R2 be 8 centimeter. Alright, and its depth is 63 centimeter. The depth is 63 centimeter. I mean depth means height, no? So this is nothing but height. Let me write it outside. So height is equal to 63 centimeter. Now they are asking us to find the volume of the dustbin. I told you, no, direct formula based questions will be there. So that's why, what is the volume of frustum of cone? Tell me. The formula is 1 by 3 pi bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2 into H. So this is the formula what you should remember, and you should be using this. Alright, let us substitute all the things. That is like 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7. Then in bracket R1 square is 15 square plus R2 square is 8 square plus R1 R2 is 15 into 8 into H means, what is the value of H? H is here, that is 63. Alright, so it becomes 7 1s are 7 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Alright, so now afterwards, so 1 into 22 is 22. Then in bracket 15 square is 225 plus 8 square is 64 plus 15 8s are, it is going to be 120 into 3. Nothing is there in the denominator. Now afterwards you can write this 22 into I mean, I'm going to get only one answer here, no? 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 0, 9 here. Then 2 plus 6, 8. Otherwise, you can come reverse also. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 is the carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 not 9 into 3. Alright, you multiply these things now. So it becomes 22 into. So 3 9s are 27. 2 is the carry. Then 27, no? Okay, 27. Then 2 is the carry here. Then 3 4s are 12. Look at this. 3 9s are 27. 2 is the carry. 2 I have kept here. Then 3 4s are 12. Alright, so then afterwards you can multiply this. If you know 22 table, you can do directly. Otherwise, you can go for 1227 into 22. It is quite easy method. It becomes 54 and 24 here. Then you repeat the same things here. Repeat the same things, just add it up. So it becomes 4, then 5 4 9, then 4 5 9, then 2 4 6 and 2. So it is 26994 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of this dustbin. I hope you must have got it. Let's check the calculation one more time. It's very important for you to check the calculation every now and then. 1 by 3 pi r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h. Alright, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 15 square plus 8 square plus 15 into 8 into 63. Alright, I have substituted all the values. 7 1s are 7 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Then 22 bracket 225 plus 64 plus 120 into 3. 22 into, let us add this up, it is 9, and here it is 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 is the carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, alright, then into 3, then 22 into 409 into 3 is I have done here, 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12. Alright, so everything is fine. So you make it sure that whenever you solve a question in surface areas and volumes, you are checking the calculation there only, so that your mistakes will be reduced. Alright, let us move to next question. The next question goes like this. A hemispherical vessel of radius 14 centimeter is fully filled with sand. Alright, there is a hemispherical vessel like this. Here is a hemispherical vessel. Okay, it is fully filled with sand. Inside that sand is there. Try to represent everything in the form of a diagram. Okay, and its radius is I mean, how much is that? 14 centimeter. Let us take this radius r1 as 14 centimeter. Let me call it as r1. Now this sand is poured on a level ground. Okay, it is poured, this sand is poured on a level ground. The heap of the sand forms a cone shape of height 7 centimeter. Okay, a cone is formed. Do you know when you pour the sand, a cone is formed? Alright, I mean, what is the height of that? The height of that is given. So that the height is 7 centimeter. Alright, calculate the area of the ground occupied by the circular base of the heap of sand. So, I mean, area of the ground occupied by the circular base of heap of the sand. That is like how much area it has covered. So, how much area it has covered, that is like pi r square. Pi r square is equal to question mark they are asking. Alright, quite a simple case. This is asked for 4 mark. There is a choice question also. We'll go for that also. What is the hint here? The hint is volume of hemisphere. Volume of a hemisphere is equal to volume of a cone. That's it. That is the main thing here, because when you are pouring this sand from this place to this place, I mean, what remains same? The volume is going to remain same. Alright. So what is the volume of the hemisphere? Volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, let me call it as r1. Let me call it as r1, otherwise you can call it as r also, no problem. I have called it r1 here, no? So that's why I'm taking. So that is equal to, what is the volume of this cone? Volume of this cone is 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Alright, in this 3 and 3 get cancelled, pi and pi get cancelled. What remains here is 2 r1 cube. Correct, no? So 2 r1 cube is equal to r square into h. Not r. Alright, so I am not supposed to cancel pi here. If I cancel pi, again I have to calculate that area, no? Alright, we can do like this also, no problem. Let us find out the radius first. So what it becomes? It becomes 2 into r1 cube means what? Look at this r1 cube is 14 cube, 14 cube is 14 into 14 into 14, and that is equal to r square into, what is the value of h? The value of h is 7 centimeter. So that is like 7. Alright, so afterwards what it becomes? It becomes 7 ones are and 7 twos are. Look at this, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So 2 into 2, let us keep it as 2 into 2 only, and into 14 into 14, and that is equal to r square. Now let me bring this square this side, it becomes square root, that is r is equal to under root 2 into 2 into 14 into 14, right? So if you calculate the radius, so it becomes radius is equal to 2 times 2 is there, and take it out and it becomes only once, and 14 is 2 times, take it out, it becomes once. So radius is equal to, how much is this? This is a 28 centimeter. The radius has become 28 centimeter. Everything is there in centimeter, no? Okay, all right. So now they are asking for base area, right? So base area of cone, base area of cone, or circular base area of cone is equal to pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7 into r square is 28 into 28. 7 ones are, 7 fours are. Alright, so it becomes 22 into 4 eights are 32, 3 is the carry, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. Now you can do easy calculation, 22 twos are 44, 4 is the carry, 22 ones are 22, 22 plus 4 is 26, 2 is the carry, 21 ones are 20, 22 ones are 22, 22 plus 2 is 24. Alright, I hope it is clear. So 2464 centimeter square. Instead of cancelling this pi, I would have got the direct answer here, but anyway I cancelled this pi, in the moment. Then I calculated the radius, then after that, this is the radius of the cone, no, whatever I have got here, then I calculated the base area. Alright, so this pi r square means what? This pi r square means it was base area, right? So I would have kept it like that only, and I would have got the answer, but this is also fine, no issues with that. Alright, moving forward to next question. Let us have a look at this question. This is a choice question for the third question, okay, whatever we have solved just now. This is little lengthy, but you can choose anyone, okay. When you are looking into these option questions, no, whenever you are looking into the option questions, read both the questions, and whichever you feel very comfortable, whichever you feel very easy, then go for that. Don't go for difficult things. Alright, now the bottom of a right cylindrical shaped vessel, it is the bottom of a right cylindrical shaped vessel made from metal sheet is closed by a cone shaped vessel as shown in the figure. Okay, there is a cone here. You must have seen these kind of cups and all. At the bottom there will be cone shaped thing like this. Alright. The radius of the circular base of the cylinder and circular base of the cone are each equal to 7 centimeter. That means both the radii are same. So the radius of this circular base of this cone as well as this cylinder, both are same. So we can take this radius to be 7 centimeter for both the things. So this is the given data. It's very important for us to write the given data. So r is 7 centimeter. Now, if height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter, height of the cylinder, let me write it as h, okay, height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter, and height of the cone is 3 centimeter, that is like h dash, let us take it as h dash, okay, both are different, h dash is 3 centimeter, this is the height of the cone, okay, it is something related to cone, and this is something related to cylinder. You can mark like this if you want to mark, no issues. Now they are asking us to calculate the cost of milk to fill completely this vessel at the rate of 20 rupees per liter. First of all, that's okay, we can find out the cost. We have to know the volume, right? First of all, we should get to know about the volume. Now how to calculate the volume? Very important thing. Look at this. This cylinder was there means entire volume would have been there. Now there is a cone also. Now this cone volume we have to remove, no? So if I remove that volume of that cone, then we'll get the capacity of that. So that's why I will write volume of vessel. Volume of vessel is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. I will write this. Alright. What is the volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder is pi r square into h. Alright, pi r square h minus, what is the volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here both the radii are same, that's why you can use r square, but here h is there, here also h is there, means this is for cylinder, that's why I have used h, and here I have to use h dash. Alright, now in this definitely you can take pi r square common. If you take pi r square common, what remains inside? H minus, again it becomes 1 by 3 h dash. Look at this. Now substitute all the values, so that is like 22 by 7 into r. R is 7, right? Radius is 7 centimeter, it becomes 7 into 7 bracket h. H means it is a 20 centimeter. Alright, 20 minus 1 by 3 into h dash means it is a 3 centimeter. Look here, h dash is 3 centimeter. Substitute that. That's it. 3 and 3 get cancelled, and here 7 and 7 get cancelled. It becomes 22 into 7 bracket, you can take it as 20 minus 1, and ultimately it becomes a 22 into 7 into 19. Now it's all about calculation, so that is like 22 into 19 sevens are, do you know what is 19 sevens are? 19 sevens is 171, right? You should know the tables, otherwise you can do 19 into 7 also, you can confirm, but make it sure that you are not doing it wrong. Okay, so I'm sorry, 19 sevens is not 171, you can do it, that's why I told you. 7 nines are 63, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, so it is 113, 133, sorry, 133. Make it sure that you are doing it properly. Alright, then afterwards I will have it as 22 into 133. Just check whether all the calculations are correct or not. Look at this, pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h dash. Pi r square I have taken common, it becomes h minus 1 by 3 then h dash. Alright, 22 by 7 into r square is 7 into 7 bracket h is 20 minus 1 by 3 h dash is 3. Alright, so it becomes 20 minus 1. Then afterwards I have 22 into 7 into 19. 22 into 7 19s or 19 sevens is 133. Alright, everything is fine. Every now and then you should be checking. Alright, fine then. So 133 into 22 means it becomes 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 1. Then same thing, 6 6 2. Then you add this, it becomes 6. Then 6 plus 6 is 12. Then 6 2 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Then again 2, so it becomes 2926 centimeter cube. Now we want it in liter because the cost is given in liter, no? Calculate the cost of the milk to fill completely this vessel at the rate of 20 rupees per liter. So liter means how to convert this centimeter cube into liter, that is like 2926 divided by 1000. If you do, it will be converted into liters. Correct now, because 1000 centimeter cube means 1 liter, that's why. So it becomes 2.926 liter. So these many liters is the volume of this vessel. So volume of the vessel. Alright, so therefore we can find out cost of milk. Therefore cost of milk is equal to, so how much is that? That is like 2.926 into 20 rupees. Because for 1 liter 20 rupees, for these many liters just multiply that. So it becomes 2 6 are 12, 1 is the carry, 2 2s are 4, 5, then 2 9s are 18, 1 is the carry, 2 2s are 4, then 5, give 1 0 there because it is 20, then 3 places back. 3 places back means it is 58.52. So what is the answer for this? 58.52 rupees. So this is the cost of the milk what you have to give. Cost of milk. So just put it in a box. Look at this. When you see this, it is quite clear. One is regarding the combination of solids. Whatever combination of solids is there, solve all those questions. Combination of solids is a compulsory question. Then after that, one simple direct question to find out the conversion and all. Maybe you have to concentrate on this conversion. The volume will remain fixed. And another question is a direct question substituting all the values and finding out the answer. And the first type, one more can be of a normal nature, which in which they are asking about formula and all. Alright, so these are the types of questions which are being asked. So these are the questions from one question paper. If you want some more practice, means comment down and I can help you with some more videos, and I can collect some more questions from the board exam and I can solve it. Alright, then keep on studying this all the chapters from your textbook, and make it sure that you are watching all these day 1, day 2, day up to day 12, because this year we have 12 chapters, right? 12 chapters for the board exam. So keep on watching till day 12 so that you understand all the concepts and your preparation is 100%. Thank you very much. Have a good day and bye bye.